Hello and welcome to this video on the top 5 best freelance websites that will help you find work in 2023. In today's gig economy, freelancing has become an increasingly popular option for many people who want to work for themselves and have more control over their careers. However, finding work as a freelancer can be challenging, especially if you're just starting out. That's why in this video, we're going to share with you the top 5 best freelance websites that can help you find work in 2023. Welcome to MoneyExp YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. Now, let's get started with the first one on our list. LinkedIn. Let's start with LinkedIn. Most of you might know LinkedIn as a professional networking site where you can connect with people in your industry. However, LinkedIn is also an excellent platform for finding freelance work. As a freelancer, having a strong LinkedIn profile is essential because it allows potential clients to find you and see your skills and experience. Tips for using LinkedIn for freelance work. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is up to date and professional looking. Use relevant keywords in your profile to help potential clients find you. Connect with people in your industry and engage with their posts to build relationships. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry to network and find job opportunities. Use the jobs section on LinkedIn to search for freelance work. Conclusion: LinkedIn is a powerful tool for freelancers looking to find work in 2023. By optimizing your profile and using the platform's networking features, you can connect with potential clients and increase your chances of getting hired. In the next part of this video, we'll discuss another freelance website that you don't want to miss. The next website on our list is Twitter. While Twitter is mainly known as a social media platform, it can also be a great place to find freelance work. Twitter has a large user base, which means there are plenty of potential clients who may be looking for freelancers to hire. Tips for using Twitter for freelance work. Optimize your Twitter bio and include relevant keywords that describe your skills and experience. Use relevant hashtags in your tweets to help potential clients find you. Engage with other Twitter users in your industry by retweeting, commenting, and sharing their content. Follow companies and individuals who may be potential clients and engage with their tweets. Use Twitter Advanced Search to find job opportunities by searching for relevant keywords and phrases. Conclusion: Twitter may not be the first platform you think of when it comes to finding freelance work, but it can be a valuable tool if used correctly. By optimizing your Twitter profile and engaging with potential clients, you can increase your visibility and attract more freelance work in 2023. In the next part of this video, we'll discuss another freelance website that can help you find work. 3. Taskrabbit. Taskrabbit is a platform that connects freelancers with people who need help with various tasks, such as cleaning, moving, and handyman services. It's a great platform for freelancers who are looking for short-term and on-demand work. Tips for using Taskrabbit for freelance work. Create a strong profile on Taskrabbit that showcases your skills and experience. Check the platform regularly for new task postings and respond quickly to any that match your skills. Provide excellent customer service to clients to increase your chances of getting hired again in the future. Be transparent about your availability and pricing to avoid any miscommunications with clients. Ask clients for reviews and testimonials to build up your profile and attract more work. Conclusion: Taskrabbit is a unique platform that connects freelancers with people who need help with various tasks. It's an excellent option for freelancers who are looking for short-term and on-demand work. By creating a strong profile and providing excellent customer service, you can attract more clients and build up your reputation on the platform in 2023. In the next part of this video, we'll discuss another freelance website that can help you find work. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the largest freelance websites out there, with over 50 million registered users. It's a platform that connects freelancers with clients who need help with various projects, such as web design, writing, and software development. Tips for using Freelancer.com for freelance work. Create a strong profile that showcases your skills and experience. Bid on projects that match your skills and experience, but don't bid too low and undervalue your work. Communicate clearly and professionally with clients throughout the project to avoid any misunderstandings. Deliver high-quality work on time to build up your reputation and attract more clients. Ask clients for reviews and testimonials to showcase your work to potential clients. Conclusion: Freelancer.com is a popular platform with a wide variety of projects and clients, making it a great option for freelancers looking for work in 2023. By creating a strong profile, bidding on relevant projects, and delivering high-quality work, you can build up your reputation and attract more clients on the platform. In the next part of this video, we'll discuss the last freelance website on our list. Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance platform that is focused on offering services for a fixed price. Freelancers on Fiverr create gigs that outline the specific services they offer, and clients can browse and purchase these gigs directly. Tips for using Fiverr for freelance work. Create a unique and attractive gig that showcases your skills and experience. Use relevant keywords and tags to help potential clients find your gig. Deliver high-quality work on time to build up your reputation and attract more clients. Price your gig competitively, but don't undervalue your work. Ask clients for reviews and testimonials to build up your reputation on the platform. Conclusion: Fiverr is a great option for freelancers who want to offer their services for a fixed price. By creating an attractive gig and delivering high-quality work, you can build up your reputation and attract more clients on the platform in 2023. In this video, we've discussed the top 5 best freelance websites that can help you find work. Whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or you're looking to expand your client base, these websites offer a wide range of opportunities to connect with potential clients and build up your freelance career. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to start working as a freelancer. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.